So a very warm welcome, everyone. Those who have joined with us for welcome meeting for 1st Feb 2023 interns. We are going to have a presentation about the company profile, followed by intern interactions. So objective of today's meeting is to have an interaction with the interns, those who have joined with us for 1st of February program. So we are going to have an introduction with you, followed by interactions with the interns, followed by what next we need to do in the internship. So guys, a very warm welcome to Hackveda Limited once again to this meeting for 1st Feb 2023 interns. I believe a majority of the candidates have already joined in and for 1st Feb batch. And let me just quickly check if there is no one in the waiting room. Okay, so I believe things are going fine, and let's get started with the internship meeting for the day. So guys, welcome to Hackveda Limited once again. Objective of today's discussion is to bring in a lot of information about Hackveda with all the new interns who has joined with us for 1st of February batch. And there might be a few more team members, those who have joined us for the very first time today. So the objective is we're going to have a discussion about the company. We're going to have a discussion on vision and mission statement, followed by key products and services. We are going to have an interaction on key people and followed by market analysis, what kind of customers we are dealing with, customer profile. Then we'll move out to future plans about Hackveda and why are we organizing this internship on a very large scale. So guys, to let you know about the company, so we started Hackveda somewhere in 2011 after I graduated from computer science and engineering. In 2011, before this, I was very keen in cybersecurity, and my major objective was to solve cybersecurity problems. When I was in college in 3rd year and final year, I decided that I'll be working somewhere in cybersecurity, and I was very fascinated with DEF CON hacking community. So in 2011, we put first step to work and to solve cybersecurity problems. And somehow, initially we were working under VMDD Technologies. This VMDD Technologies company was registered in 2008, and the main objective of the company was to import embedded products from US and customize it and deliver it to Defense Research Development Organization. So that was the main objective we were serving in 2008 with VMDD Technologies. In VMDD Technologies, we started a software segment where we thought of working towards the software side and the cybersecurity side. Hence, we launched Hackveda as a product of VMDD Technologies in 2011. But somehow, with the business which we are doing under Hackveda, in 2017, we got registered in India and we started official operations under the name of Hackveda. So we registered Hackveda in 2017 in India, and followed by we got global in 2018. We registered Hackveda Limited in Canada in 2018. So major objective was to work under software development, research support, and workforce development. These were the 3 important core areas on which the company works. Now, the mission and the vision statements, I want every new intern who is joining with us today should have this awareness about what is the vision statement of the company, what is the goal of the company, so that you can align with us better and you can devote your 100% contribution in the internship so as to solve the problems which we are keen to solve. So initially, we started with a mission to solve research and development problems as well as hiring problems. So this was the core mission when we started Hackveda in 2011. And when we started working to solve different cybersecurity problems with research, we started building some small scale products for cybersecurity. But at that point of time, in 2011 and 12, it was not accepted in the Defense Research Development Organization because the products which we built at that point of time were not very precise. And followed by, it was very difficult for us to hire new talent because talent with respect to cybersecurity was not there in 2011. Now, cybersecurity was a new name somewhere in 2011, and people were not well aware of it. After 2015 and 16, cybersecurity became a boom in India, and people started working rigorously on cybersecurity, and the industry accepted cybersecurity. So our mission was to solve these problems, and then we made a vision to build a workforce pipeline between institute to industry. So this is our vision statement on which we are working. We are not limited to cybersecurity as of now. We are working on various domains related to IT. So the overall vision of the company Hackveda Limited is to build a workforce pipeline between institute to the industry and solve different problems. And the goal is to build an industry product or build different industrial products in the area of our expertise or in the areas in which the problems we are solving, and share that experience with the new interns coming in so that they get to know that how industrial products are being developed and what is missing with respect to fundamental education and the expected experience with respect to an intern to work in an organization or in a company. So this was the vision and mission statement. And this is one such goal which we want to fulfill with the internship program, which we are currently organizing. So moving to the next part, these are some of the key products which company is building. And one such product which we currently build is a body composition machine. So it is like a fat scanning machine which evaluates fat of a person, and we build different kind of diet products and healthcare products. Second type of project which we build is a paratrooper locator system. This is a defense-based product which we built for ADRD Agra. And in this, what we do, this is majorly used by Indian Army. So at terrain locations where regular network does not work, so we made a RFID-based communication system for them, where you can say a paratrooper is drops, or a paratrooper bag is dropped with arms and ammunitions, with medical facility, and the major or the commander has a mothered unit with which he can locate to that particular device, or the team can locate that particular device. So it was a security product which was built. So it is a combination of RFID communication for 5 kilometers. It is a it is an encrypted system which is used at the LOC area. Followed by, we made a customized mapping system for those particular regions, so that the navigation is sorted and navigation can be done properly, because you cannot use Google Maps or regular Android app-based maps in that products. So we built up a navigation system. So that was a product which is currently being used by DRDO, ADRD. Then we built a product known as AI Blood Report Manager. This is a product basically used for diagnostic labs, where they, as well as the doctors. So this is also a healthcare product. You will get to know about this product as soon as we progress further. Then we are building some heart and fitness applications as well. As well as Hackveda currently has a Pearson VUE authorized test center, where around 3,500 global examinations of IT and other domains are being conducted at Hackveda. As well as we do have an algorithmic trading system as well, where we build algorithms for stock market and how algorithmic trading can be done. So these are certain key products. There are various other products which we build for different clients, but these are some of the highlighted products which we want you guys to work on, so as to gain the real-time industrial experience, and what valuable products we have already built and how you can learn out of them to gain experience. So to understand our client base, majorly around 33% of our business Hackveda Limited do for DRDOs, where the major labs for which we are working is Scientific Analysis Group. We are making an Android security project for them as of now. It's a very worthy project, which the team is currently working on. So it is in the initial stages. Many of you who are working in the cybersecurity, data analytics field, Java, so all those people will be able to work on that project. Followed by the second kind of customers we do have is healthcare customers. We build products for healthcare. 25% of our revenue comes from healthcare projects. Third category of tasks which the company does is research-based product development. So we perform research, we do analysis of various problem statements, and we build prototype products. So around 16.7% of the total scope of work in Hackveda belongs to a research segment. Then we also have certain professional courses since in 2011, when we were not getting entry into cybersecurity with respect to industrial acceptance. Then and there we started training people on cybersecurity in 2012-13 onwards, and hence professional courses become one such segment in Hackveda. As well as now the major objectives is the Pearson VUE authorized test centers where global certifications are being done. We build global examinations, and a lot of things are being done under that category. As well as around 8.3% of the scope, we are working towards making products for internships and solving internship problems. So this is one such area on which we guys are working. So these are certain key products and some of the services which the company is currently offering. So the services which we are currently working on, software development services, where we are building products for defense, we are building products for healthcare, we are building different products for education. There are certain simulated labs, which software-based labs, which we are creating, which uses technologies like Docker and technologies like Node.js in order to make a background. So all those things we are currently doing in the software development segment, followed by, just give me a minute. Then the second kind of segment on which we guys are working is the research support segment, where we work on research with these technologies. We work on machine learning, deep learning, cybersecurity research. We have built various products like neuroimaging, where MRI images are scanned. Then we have worked on products like curved text detection. We have worked on products like autonomous driving. So various research papers have been published and certain products have been made in that segment. We have worked on distributed denial of service attack detection and mitigation with machine learning and deep learning technology. So it was a cloud-based cybersecurity product which we built. Then we have made various network simulation products also. Simulations of different wireless algorithms and security algorithms with network simulation, network simulator, and S2 and S3. So certain research have been already done. A lot of papers have been published. So I think last year, we published more than 100 papers in a year. And post-COVID, since we started working on building those products, which we researched in last year. So, but now again, we are reaching out to the research segment once again, and we are working to grow it more. Third kind of service which we are currently offering is Pearson VUE authorized test centers and assessments, and various clients like Amazon, Microsoft, and there are more than 3,000 plus clients whose tests are delivered with the Pearson VUE authorized test centers, which we run. Then we have a fourth segment of service, which is internships and professional courses, where offline, online, and self-learning courses are being done. So our idea is not to charge people. We are not charging, but we want to build up an ecosystem in a way where you can gain experience from the kind of products we are building. And you should come, join hands with us, work on all of these segments, learn how we build different products, and you should be able to work on further products on which the company is working. So that is what is the major objective of the organization. And the various interns are working rigorously on many products. So you will be able to interact with them as well. They will be showing their presentations to you so that you get an idea about what kind of applications and products people are working on and building. So these are some of the services. Now we have a few key people in the organization. So my name is Devanshu Shukla. I'm a founder and director. I started this in 2011. Mr. Vijay Kumar, he looks after the finance, the director of finance. Ms. Neha, I think he is here. She's a co-founder, my wife as well. So she's here in the meeting. She might be interacting with you guys on Python, Django. She has vast experience of working as an e-commerce developer for a brand like Lenskart. So she has core experience working on Django and building production level e-commerce applications large scale. Sorry, I missed about Mr. Vijay Kumar Shukla. So he is a retired wing commander from Indian Air Force. So he took retirement in around 2002, I think, and he was very focused on grooming people to work on technology. He had experience working with Prithvi missile systems. In 2008, he started VMDD technology, where we started supplying data acquisition cards to DRDOs for Prithvi missile systems. So what this data acquisition cards do, when a missile goes, a lot of data is collected from the universe or from wherever the rockets or the missiles are being sent. So a lot of data is acquired. So those data acquisition cards we used to supply, and they were very large projects, and a lot of data-based activities have been done at that point of time. Then one of my co-founders who co-founded Hackveda Limited Canada with us, Mr. Sumit Dhama, he's a co-founder. So he looks after the Canada operations. He works with Amazon. As of now, he's a senior data engineer with Amazon, and he works for them. And I will come to my profile after completion of the particular slide. So what kind of clients we are currently dealing with and the market analysis. So with respect to DRDOs, you can consider major part with respect to SAG, Elastic Labs, with respect to building IT cybersecurity products. We have a huge market capture with respect to defense-based projects. So DRDO is one such organization. We are there in multiple labs with Defense Research Development Organization, and we build various products for them. So our main area of business is working towards DRDOs and working on large-scale projects. These projects are 3 years, 4 years, 5 years project, and majority of the projects we work on are cybersecurity and machine learning and deep learning related. But eventually it involves a lot of other technologies also. Followed by the next segment of work is software development, which I already told you, which is around 40% of the other activities we do is related to software development part. Then research is the third level of category. Exams, conducting assessments and examinations is around 20% of what all we do. And then around the training part, which is 10% of what all we do. And we are working on these, services in order to gain more market capture. So we have started working on these technologies in order. Now moving on to the next kind of customers we are dealing with. So as I've already told you, so we work with Defense Research Development Organization, where we build products for Scientific Analysis Group, for Laser Science and Technology Group. This is in Midcap House, Delhi. We work for this organization. Then Center for Fire Explosives, CFEs. So we have worked with CFEs on photo volt. There were photo volt cells which we built for them. They were light detectors, and we have built various smoke detectors for them for this organization. They work majorly on explosives, fire explosives and other kind of explosives. Then we have worked with Department of Education with Delhi government. We run Samagra Shiksha. It's a program which is a government-led exam, awareness of cybersecurity, awareness of latest technology to school-level students from 9th standard to 12th standard. It is being organized under Samagra Shiksha, and we have been a part of Department of Education from quite some time now. And we have executed cybersecurity awareness program for around, I think 15 lakh students last year during the COVID time. So online it has been conducted. We built a platform through which a large interaction can be organized. So it has been done in, I think 2020, we did that, December 2020. And we catered around 15 lakh people and a lot of cybersecurity people, a lot of IPS from cybersecurity background, those who are running cyber cells and are working IPS officers have been brought to that awareness program, and practical awareness has been done for a month-long duration. So we organized it with various people involved. Then healthcare, as I've already told you, we are currently serving various doctors, sports coach, dietitians, fitness coach. We are making products for them. Then researchers, I've already told you, one such kind of customers we have is the PhD scholars, those who are doing their PhD research. And when they face issues in building a product or building a prototype, so we help them out in building the products and building the prototypes from the technology view. So the kind of research, so we are working on machine learning and deep learning technology and supporting the researchers as well. The fourth kind of customer profile we have is the industry and the institutions, where industries do take assessment products. We build various assessment products for Pearson VUE and examinations like Amazon, Microsoft. We built a lot of examinations, as well as recently we have started building examinations for various organizations like Narsi Munji University, Shiv Nadar University. So certain entrance level examinations are being conducted at our offices at Pearson VUE authorized test centers. Then we also deal with various IITs on research-based products. You would have heard today as well in the budget that various research-based products and research and development is one of the major scope of the budget, which has been released today, as well as various research projects are being given to IITs and NITs to get it done. So we as an industry become a partner of them. We build products for them. We bring in technology for them. And then with a collaborative environment, good things are being produced and then they are supplied to defense-based organizations or government organizations. So that is a complete kind of ecosystem and the kind of products and services we are currently working on and building. Moving on to what are the future plans and why this internships. So our objective is to build new products, and to build new products, we need good candidates. So one thing which I experienced from last 10 years of my experience, starting from 2011 to 2022-23, which is today. So I have identified that there is no issues of jobs in the market. There is no issues of technology in the market. There is only a myth that there are no jobs and people are being jobless and certain things are happening. And when it comes to the college level placements and all, so different kind of things are being done in the market. Different practices are being done in the market where people are paying 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 rupees to get placed in a company for a job of 5,000, 10,000 or so. And this is not an experience which I had today. I had the experience way back when I started working in this technology, and we made this an aim to work on. So, so with this internship, what our focus is, you come to the internship, seek experience from what we have built. We have built products for small scale consumers, mid scale consumers, large scale consumers, as well as research based consumers. So we want you to gain those experience from the products which we have built. We have a lot of self-learning material to give you, so you can take those self-learning material, do learn from it. We will be sharing real-time product codes with you as well, so that you gain an understanding of how codes are being made, how products are being built, how they have been deployed. Okay, so you get an insight, a proper insight, and then you can work on different products with us, which is in the pipeline to be built. So new product development is one of the major objectives, and we need good teams to work on those products. So hence we are going for mass hire, having mass interns, training them and hiring them in the organization ourselves. So 99.9% of the people we want to hire for Hackveda Limited itself, we are a workforce partner, but with respect to this internship, we don't have much, thoughts to give this talent to some other platform or to some other companies. Our major objective with this internship is to build talent and work out on the products which we have built, which we are building in future or we are currently building. So you come with us, gain experience and work with us in future. So till the time you guys are in college, you can work as paid interns with us. We can pay you some amount so that you can learn with us, you can work out with us, okay? And you gain experience of working on good products. And as soon as you are about to cross your college, or as soon as you pass your college, we can hire you for a full-time employment. And these employments can be remote, can be at Delhi NCR campus. So there is no problem at all. On the basis of your performance, on the basis of mutual consent, we can have you guys. So this is the major objective of the internships. Secondly, initially, we want to build a lot of different application mockups and a lot of application prototypes. So interns we need to build those mockups and prototypes for us, okay? So since there are n number of clients and there are n number of things needs to be built, so we want people to join with us and build different application mockups and different application designs with us, okay? And last but not least, we are working on building workforce products, and there are various, we are hiring a lot of workforce to build these new products. So this is one of the major objectives behind the internships. So guys, I believe you guys are clear about what are we doing, and I would be your chief mentor during this internship duration. And what my area of expertise is, I would like to share you guys about the kind of tasks I'm doing and what kind of experience I bring in the table. So since I started my career in cybersecurity, so this is a quick profile of mine. I have core experience of working on these technologies, where I worked with cybersecurity on a very great scale. I worked on Internet of Things, building embedded products, building IoT products. Then I started working on machine learning, deep learning. I have published a lot of papers, as well as I have helped a lot of researchers to publish their papers under machine learning and deep learning technology. And we have built various products also with these technology, machine learning and deep learning. Initially in my career, about 2012 and 13, I was working on a mobile OS project. I have been a part of Bharat OS as well. Earlier, it was a government project, Bharat OS. So we have worked on it. We have worked on customizing various operating systems. We have worked on customizing Android operating system for defense also. So this is one such experience, which I'll be bringing on this internship so that you guys can gain that experience with my 10 years of experience and with the effort of my team members who will be working with you. Followed by, I have a very deep background in reverse engineering. I have done reverse engineering on iOS-based products, Mac OS-based products, and Windows-based products. So various closed source technologies have been decoded with the technology of reverse engineering. And people, those who work with me on cybersecurity, I generally give them those, objectives to work on software cracking, to understand how cracks are being built, how reverse engineering is being done on Android, on applications, on web applications. So we do a lot of stuff on it. Followed by my current role is to build a leadership and management team in the organization and to take this organization on a different level, which we are currently at the moment. As well as I am focused towards engaging more customers, building great customer experience. So we are really working on it. And since we handle a lot of people and different kind of clients, which comes from an age of 18 years of age up to 60 or 65 years of age. So we are still new in the segment of customer experience, but we are working hard to solve these customer experience issues within 6 months or 1 year or so. So this is what my core skills are. So as I've already told you, system designing, IoT stack, data engineering, reverse engineering, cloud architect, competitive programming, all of these are some of the core areas on which I have worked. And this is what I'm going to bring on the table. Some of the credentials which you can have with me is, which I have, and I will be definitely sharing my experience of gaining those with you guys also. So I'm a certified information security expert with DEFCON. I have worked as a member to Voice over Internet Protocol Security Alliance. I have been a member of various cloud architecting teams, as in I worked with Hurricane Electric on IPv6 on network development. I'm a Rackspace certified cloud developer as well. So Rackspace was one such organization who was working in the core of building cloud systems. Okay, so various Rackspace servers and various Rackspace services are being given to Amazon, Microsoft, Google. So I worked as a Rackspace. I have gained this experience of cloud developer as a Rackspace certified developer. Then I worked with certified with Center for Internet Security, where we built benchmarks for security. Now, benchmarks on Android, benchmarks on different servers, benchmark on networks. So we did that. Followed by, I worked as an application developer with IBM Developer Works. It was an open source project with IBM India. So I worked on it in 2013 and 14, I believe. I have published various papers in many of these IEEE communities, and I'm a senior member of these communities. So where I worked for Advanced Technology for Humanity, I have worked under Systems Engineering Standards Committee. I have worked under Test Technology Technical Council. I have worked with Committee for Business Informatics and Systems. I have worked on Committee for Security and Privacy as well, and computer architecture. So all of these technical committees, I have been a member, and we have done a lot of things with respect to research. And now is the time to build those products and bring into the market. And hence we need good teams, those who can take up our vision, contribute their efforts to build those products with us. So just to walk you through quickly, the objective of this internship would be to give you guys fundamental experience initially, then prototype level experience on building prototype projects, followed by working with us on client-based projects. So you guys will be working in 3 categories: improving your fundamentals, if you are a complete beginner. If you already know fundamentals, then you can work on fundamental projects directly. You can work on building 2 to 3 simple prototype projects, which we will be giving you the references, what you need to do and what you need to build. And followed by, you will be working in teams in order to build the client-based projects. Okay, so this is going to be the objective of the internship. In the next meeting with you guys, what are we going to have? We are going to have an introduction with 1 by 1. And in that introduction meeting, what are we going to bring it for you? So in this internship, your daily progress will be evaluated and you will be scored for daily progress. You have to, whatever work you are doing, you have to present that work with us, and we will be having presentation scores with you. And on the basis of these performance evaluations and your progress reviews, your probation will be accounted. You will be notified for the next process via emails. Today, we have a shorter time. We have only 2 minutes left. Somehow we upgraded the meeting module, which is Zoom, but it couldn't be processed. So I will be checking with the team why it is not, at a full length as of now. So today we will be terminating this moment at 7:45 or so. But tomorrow we will be having an introduction meeting where we will be having introduction with each one of you, those who have joined for 1st Feb onwards or after 16th of January. Whatever dates your joining letters have been given, we will be having a discussion 1 by 1, and we will be making your status as active. Once your status become active, you will be getting notifications from us. First notification will be progress update and reviews notification, and all the specific curriculum, what needs to be done, how you are going to proceed further, we are going to tell you in tomorrow's meeting. Okay, so we have a common board where we will be having interactions. Then there will be different technology boards. There will be different project boards. Each an explanation will be done tomorrow. And 1 by 1 interaction will be done with you guys. Okay, so I believe my message is very, very clear to everyone. If you have any questions or anything like that, tomorrow we will be taking all your questions. So you can join with us. We will be having all these interactions. First objective of tomorrow's meeting would be to make an introduction about the process, how this internship is going to work. Okay, first. Second, we are going to have an interaction 1 by 1 with everyone, so that we will get to know about your skills. We can have a personal interaction, and then we will be marking your status as active. Third, you will be working with us on either fundamental or on the prototype project, or if you are already skilled enough, then we can have you on the client projects as well. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for being available today. And tomorrow at 7 o'clock, we will be meeting and we will be taking this internship meeting forward. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.